What's up, everyone? Welcome to a very special episode of Dance Fitsugar. I'm your host, Poofy, and I am so excited to bring you my family here on set. This is my mama, Cindy. Say what's up, Mom.
Hello, hi.
And this is my boyfriend, Darius.
Hey, what's going on, everybody?
This is a 10-minute cardio pop workout, the perfect opportunity to get moving, to get grooving after that fun family food. This is our opportunity to share with you our dance moves, and anybody can jump in, right, Mom?
Anybody.
Right, Dee?
Shoot, you already know we ready to get down.
Oh, snap! And just like that, we're gonna bring the energy on the dance floor. Let's get to it. All right, beautiful people, we are ready to dance. Let's start with 3 big breaths. 1 for the body. Let it go. 1 for the mind. And your last one for your soul. Let it go. Something that doesn't serve you. Roll those shoulders back and get ready to swing. Let's get it. Right here, swing it up. I love this move. It's so expansive, and I love the way that you're doing it at home too. I feel that energy. Now stop and pull right here. Pull. Yes, add a little squat if you want to get down with it. Yes, 4, 3. You're gonna push 4 times. Push 4 times. 4, 3. Good. 2, 1. Bring it up and over. Then you do that same thing again. Imagine a curtain there and a big present waiting for you. Look for it. Yes. Don't hold back. Then we're walking forward. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bring those hands up. Walk it forward. 2 steps, right and left. Those hands come across. Yes, Mama, I see you back there. And check out D. He's adding that energy. He's adding those jumps if you want it. Good. Walk it back. Then we're doing it from the top again. Let's add those swings. Reach. Big breath here. Remember, if you don't have a lot of space, you can stay in place. Good. Now stop and pull. Right here. Pull it in. We just want that intention, that heart. It's not about right or wrong. It's about feeling good in yourself. Right here, push it out. 4, 3. How you feeling, Mama? Good. I love this. Hands up. How you feeling, D?
Woo, let's get it.
Let's go again. I love this. I love having my family with me. And I hope you have your family with you at home too. Turn this video on. Let's turn up. Walk it forward. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it out. Ooh, I love those jumps, babe. I'm gonna add with it. Let's go, let's go. Yes, Mama. She's modified over there, still having a good time. Make sure you're smiling, working those face muscles too. Ready? We're gonna step snap. Right here, step snap. Woo! Can you come a little closer, Mom? Come a little closer to me. Hey, there we go. She got that beat. Come on, D. I feel like the new age group. We got a family swing in here, yes. Ready? Now back to your spots, now push it out. Or if you're at home and you don't have room, you're like, I need room, fam. Take those hands up. 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Breathe right here. Good job. I love this energy. Keep it up, because we're walking it out 4 times, 2 steps right and left. Come on, fam. Hey, you looking golden. I see that light. Walk it back. 2 steps right and left. Come on, Mom. I see you. Let's get it. Walk it out. Step it out. Yes, babe. Walk it back. Now, we got 2 more times. How much energy can you put into this? Come on, fam. Step it out or jump. Yes, yes, walk it back. I was just kidding. We're gonna add 2 more, 2 more. Walk it front and back. Yes. So much fun. Walk it last. 3, 2, 1, 2 taps. Spread your light, big arms. Yay! All right, fam, we got another track for you, and it starts with step touch like this. You see that step touch? Good. Here we go. We step, touch. My mom loves her step, touch. Snaps. Me and D are gonna add some arms. Hey. And if you want to work those abs, add those twists. Go, D. Yes. Go, Mama. I see you. Now here's some choreography. Stop together. One arm, other arm. Now you're gonna pull it across your face and put on your crown on top of the head for my kings and queens out there. Add a little bounce if you're feeling it. Go, Mama. Pull it across. Put that crown on your head. Step touch again. Yes, there we go. We got that rhythm going. I love this. Feel that song. Feel that rhythm in your heart. That's all that matters. Add those twisty. Come on. Hey, yes. Good. We got that queen choreography coming up. Let me see those muscles. 1 and 1. Muscle. Other side. Yes, Mama. Pull it across. Put that crown on your head, and I'm feeling it. Do you want to add some energy with me? Yes. Take it across. Now fast feet forward and back. Ready? Let's go forward. Now fan it. Good. Again, forward. And fan it. If you can, switch legs. There we go. Yes. Last one. We're going back to that queen choreography. Show me those muscles, 1 and 1. Good, other side. Yes, take it across. Put that crown on, feel proud of yourself. You're looking great, other side. Yes, yes. And because we have a few more, I want all the energy you got in your tank. Let's go, come on, add those bounces. Hey, hey. Other side, come on, reach it across, put that crown on your head. One last time, fam, 1 and 1. Other side, yes. Take it across, put your crown on your head, and freeze right there, hold. All right, fam, we've got another track for you, and this is all about making money moves. We got your basket, throw it out 3 times. Last one, stop, clap, clap. 3, good, 2, 1, stop, other side. Yes, come on, rhythm. These are donations, let them go. Stop, clap, clap. We got good credit, we can let it happen. 3, last 2, stop. Make your roof over your head. Yes, mom. Karaoke mic. One more time, make a roof over your head and your karaoke mic. Now hands stay here. They just go across and step forward. Darius loves this move. He's the step master of Kentucky right here. Yes, yes. Walk it back. Here we go. Roll that wrist out. 3, 2, step together. Both hands, roll it out. We do so much typing and texting. This is a great way to let those hands rest it out. One side, 4, 3, good. 2, step together, both hands, roll it out. Yes, team, you ready to make your roof again, D?
Let's do it.
Come on, step it up. Make that roof, mama, good. Sing that karaoke song. Her favorite karaoke song is I Wanna Dance With Somebody, right, mama?
Yes.
Now walk it out. Come on, D, show them that step. Let's go, walk it back. And one more time. Hey, hey! Now throw out that money. Oh, I forgot there's one more. Clap it out, we got 3. Good, we got 2. We got 1, other side again. Come on, throw more donations out, mama. 3, last 2. 1, clap, clap, we got 3. Hey, 2, 1, stop. Make that roof, we go over. Your karaoke, right here. One more time, up and over. Sing that karaoke, then we're walking in front. 4 times, we got 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it back. Yes, D. Walk it front. Last time, walk it back, then you're gonna throw that money in the air. Ready? Throw it out. Ah. Yes. All right, team, this is all about holiday photos. Come a little closer to me. We walk 2 times, 2 poses. Are we ready?
Let's do it.
Yes. Let's go. Walk twice. 1, 2, 2 poses. Silly and sweet. Walk it back. Christmas card, remember? Oh, yes, walk it forward. Now how about silly and scary? Ah, yes, mama.
Halloween.
Yes. Now we boogie. Half rainbow to rope. Yes, rainbow, now pull it across. Yes, that's a boogie right there. That's what I'm talking about. Switch sides, up and pull. Ooh, I love this. Great job, fam. Now we're gonna push twice, squat down. 1, give me 1 more. Point across 2 times, look across that dance floor. Take that hip down and up. Do it again, 2 squats. Yes, point across 2 times. 1, 2, let's boogie. Hip to sky, walk it forward. We do it again, 2 poses. Glamorous and movie star. Yes, mama, I love that pose. Let me see, D. Okay, work. Let me see your poses at home. What you got? Ooh, looks good. And we go 2 times, now push it twice. 1, good, squat again. 2 points across. Really point it across and take your hip down and to the sky. 2 squats again. This is the last time, team. 2 points across. Take it down to your hip and to the sky, boogie it out. Yeah. Okay, fam, this is the last track. This is called You Got This. We got a grapevine right, grapevine left. 3 steps, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Clap, let's add some energy, add some tempo. A little faster, mama, you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, hey. Feel free to make this your own. And then we're gonna add those pulls like we did in the beginning. Stop and pull, reach across, pull. Yes, there we go, team. This is our last track. So I want you to leave your heart on the dance floor. Now we got 3 high fives. Top, middle, down, clap. Good, top, middle, down, add that energy, tempo. 1, 2, 3, yes. Nice job, team. That's the whole choreography right there. But right now, add a stretch, big reach, up and over. Ah, good, take it to the other side. I love a good stretch in the middle of a workout. Or towards the end, in this case, roll the arms back. Good team. Are you ready to do from the top, Mom?
Yes.
What about you, D?
Let's get it.
Come on, 3 steps, right and left. 1, 2, 3. Hey! I love this energy, fam. Now stop and pull. Ready? Stop and pull. Pull. Good. And those high fives are coming up. Top, middle, down. In 3, 2, 1. Turn to the side. Top, middle, down. Top, middle, down. Top, middle, down. Top, middle, down. Grapevine to the side right here. Grapevine. Last time. Come on, team. Yes. Add that fun flavor right here. Yeah. Now stop and pull. If you're with me, you need to say whoop, 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 whoop. Good. 3, 2, 1. High fives. Last side. Come on. Good. This is the last time, team. 3, 2, 1. Last side. Give me a big pose right here. Pose. Amazing job, family. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
Come bring it in, Mama. How do you guys feel?
Amazing.
I feel great. Oh my God, this really motivates me to go back to the gym. Hope you people at home will do the same thing. This is really healthy.
I love that. Thank you so much, family, for being with me. Thank you so much, family at home. From our family to yours, we wish you happy holidays.
Happy holiday, everyone.
Yes. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today on Dance Fitsugar. We can't wait to dance with you next
Thank
time.
you.
Bye. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, groove it out, Mama. What? Okay, let's go.